Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, it was felt for a long time that the Limitation Act of 1908, which had certain amendments, deserved reconsideration in all its aspects. With this object in view, not only regarding this act but regarding all the acts that are at present in force. After independence, we appointed a law commission to revise all our laws. Sir, the Law Commission went into this matter in very great detail and referring to certain basic principles that have been adopted and certain amendments of revision appointed in the United Kingdom. They have gone through the whole enactment and suggested certain modifications not only in sections but also in articles. I am very glad that the Law Ministry has brought forward the bill on the basis, as the Deputy Law Minister has pointed out, that they have not followed the recommendations of the Law Commission, but in general they have adopted the recommendations of the Law Commission in most of its aspects. Sir, as this matter is to be entrusted to the joint committee of both the houses, it will have the benefit of the deliberations of all those members who are in the select committee, and so, generally speaking, neither is this the occasion nor the practice to go into details, but we can just suggest certain general matters so that the select committee may take them into consideration while deliberating in detail on the different provisions of this bill. Sir, in view of my experience as a lawyer, I feel that the law of limitation is a procedural matter, except in certain sections where it confers definite rights on account of possession or certain other matters. We have to see that the matters that are disputed or under litigation are disposed of in as short a period as possible. The trend everywhere is that the people should not be kept in suspense either before litigation or after litigation. So my humble suggestion to the members of the select committee will be to see that the course of litigation is as much circumscribed as reduced as is possible in consonance with the basic principle of fairness, justice and equity. To substantiate what I am submitting, I would give an example, and the members of the select committee will go into details of the Law Commission report.